All right, I'm inside Swiss Chalet on University Avenue, Hospital Row. Inside, came back to try the molten chocolate cake for $6.99. So mine, I have a chocolate ice cream on top because they don't have the vanilla for tonight. So I'm like, yeah, it's ice cream. So giving it a try. It looks good for $6.99. Meanwhile, you can get a scoop of ice cream for the $6.99. Even some places, almost $9 for a scoop of ice cream. So not bad for the price. Let's see how it tastes. Oh. Okay, I don't see the molten. It's just cake. Yeah. Well, it doesn't ooze out anything. I thought, yeah, it's just, looks like it's just cake. All right, so I don't see any molten. I know, like, I don't know if it's supposed to ooze out any chocolate, but here we are. Whoa, it's dripping. It's dripping. Very rich chocolate. I'll probably just finish the ice cream and a little bit of the cake part and take the rest home. I won't be finishing the whole thing. I would say it's good to share because it is a rich dessert, but if you're into all that, eat the whole thing. I'm not going to judge you. So take your bite. I tried it. $6.99. All right. Take your bite. Okay, so it's a fudge, or sorry, it's a chocolate cake with a fudge center. So I guess I don't know, the molten wording for this, I was assuming that there would be chocolate oozing out when you open it up, but it's not, it doesn't do that. So if you're into this, come on to Swiss Chalet for their molten chocolate cake.